Hello and thank you for the opportunity. Question one. A virtual machine is a software-based emulation of a physical computer. It allows multiple operating systems to run independently on a single physical machine, which greatly improves efficiency and flexibility in IT environments. The core components of a virtual machine include: one is the hypervisor. This is the software layer that creates and manages virtual machines. It allocates hardware resources such as CPU, memory, and storage to each VM. And we have mainly two types. One is a type 1 or a bare metal hypervisors like the Microsoft Hyper-V, which run directly on the hardware. Then the second one is a type 2 hypervisors like the VirtualBox, which run on top of an existing operating system. The second component is virtual hardware. Each VM includes a virtual component such as CPU, RAM. These are simulated versions of physical components that allow the guest operating system to run as if it were on a real computer. The third component is guest operating system. This is the OS installed on the virtual machine, such as Windows, which operates independently from the host system. The fourth component is a virtual list file. This file stores the data of the VM, including the OS, application, and the settings. The fifth component is management tools. Platform like Hyper-V Manager allows administrators to create, monitor, and manage virtual machines efficiently. Okay, now regarding I will leverage a virtualization technology in a business setting. In a business environment, virtualization offers several key advantages. First is resource optimization. Instead of dedicating one physical server to each application, multiple virtual machines can share the same hardware, and this reduces cost and improves hardware utilization. Second is testing and development environments. Virtualization makes it easy to create isolated environments for testing new software or updates without affecting production system. For example, before deploying a new group policy or a system update, I can test it safely in a physical environment without any interference. Then thirdly is disaster recovery. Virtualization makes easy for backup, replication, or restore on a different hardware. In case system failure, a VM can be restored quickly, minimizing downtime. Then the fourth is security and isolation. Virtualization allows us to isolate workloads. For instance, sensitive system can run in separate VMs with limited network access, reducing risk exposure. Then lastly is scalability and flexibility. As a business grows, it's simple to deploy new servers or applications virtually without purchasing additional hardware. On question 2, a server role defines the main purpose of the server. For example, a domain controller, web server, or a file server. A server feature, on the other hand, provides additional capability that supports those roles, like BitLocker, failover, clustering, or remote server administration tools. To determine which role and feature a server needs, I first analyze the organization's requirements, what tasks the server should perform, how many users it will support, and the level of security or availability required. Then I only install the necessary roles and features to optimize the performance and reduce vulnerabilities. On question 3, the primary purpose of Active Directory is to centralize users and resources management within a domain. It helps administrators to control access, manage users, computers, printers, and enforce security policies from one place. For example, a common task using Active Directory creates a new user, account and assigning it to a specific groups based on job roles. This ensures that the user automatically receives the correct permissions and access to company resources. These are saving time and maintaining consistency across the network. Thank you.